used various methods to make fire. Number 1. Rub two sticks together. Rubbing two sticks together is probably most common through history, though it could be vastly more sophisticated than that. This might mean rubbing it up and down a groove in a block of wood or spinning it by using our hands. This will generate heat by the friction. However, the friction that produced by our hands will hurt our hands as well. The second method is sparks, which is striking iron or iron pyrites against similar stones or flame, which creates short-lived but high temperature of sparks, which can be directed against kindling. This method actually will take longer time to produce heat.
In our research, we found that there are a lot of benefits in each material. The material that we use for our fire starter are dryer lint, wax, and newspaper. The second materials that we use in our product is dryer lint. Dryer lint is the perfect
Some lint, such as that from a loaded cotton jeans, ignited readily.
It is fluffy, fibrous, and highly flammable. It is also being mostly waterproof. The last material that we use in our product is newspaper. Newspaper has just the right properties to start a fire. It lights easily and burns without leaving much ash. Plus, plain newspaper does not produce a lot of toxin when it burns like some other paper product does.
As the head of production at Ligin, my main priority is of course user satisfaction. So I make sure that our production process is always up to date and follows the highest level of quality, maintenance and standardizations. With our consumer in mind, I make sure that our products go through the strictest tests and quality checks to ensure consumer satisfaction. Fulfilling our promise to Mother Nature, we make sure that our materials are sourced from the most reliable providers, which mainly including eco-certified recycling plants and paper mills. On another note, our research and development department is hard at work in producing better prototypes and design which can further improve our product. The mass production of our fire starters carries through strict quality control system which comprise of harsh systematic tests to ensure that only the best products make it to in your hands. We also pride ourselves in the selection of ethically and responsibly sourced materials and ingredients of the best standard in the production of our fire starters. Our products are made to help people in the survival situation, such as in the forest while camping, for the hikers when they are hiking in the forest, so they can start a fire easily.
Hi, as head of marketing at Ligin, my job is to ensure that all our products can be marketed to a wide variety of people. As the product we have here is a slight variation of our typical fire starter that we sell to our customers. This version is a slightly bigger and slightly longer version of our very popular SA fire starters. Now the process that it goes through is the exact same as our SA fire starters, but the only difference is we cut it to a different length and a different diameter to best fit the most used often logs. The combination of these three specific ingredients results in a very slow burn time but a very high flammability, which creates a very easy to light fire starter which lasts up to 3 hours per block. We reliably source our raw materials from local services such as the eco-friendly paper mill, the industrial laundromat, and also local bee farmers. Once these materials arrive at our factory, we grind them into one consistent size and mix them to the perfect ratio. These materials are then fed to the pneumatic press where they are compressed under 4 kilopascals of pressure. These produce a very consistent and long log, which we then cut into 50 centimeter small logs. Despite not using any binders, our logs are more sturdier and durable than our competitors. This makes them 10 times more stronger and less likely to break when under pressure. Once cut, they then proceed to the packaging station where they are packaged with 2 extra mini fire starters.
So what I can say about this product is it's really convenient lah. What I can say because it really helped me when I want to make something like grill like barbecue. Just start up the fire without do any extra effort. Just use this item and you get the fire already. And also helpful for any campfire if you want to camping.
Okay.
So that's all.
Yes, okay, thank you to consume my product. Okay.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. So I want to give a feedback about the fire starter that I used before this in my event especially, which is BBQ night at KMKK. So from my opinion, I see that this fire starter is very effective to make my work very easy, especially to make flame out of the coil. Sorry, bukan coil. This fire starter is actually very effective to lighten up my charcoal that I want to use to burn the chicken, and the chicken tastes very good. I think from the quality of the fire starter lah. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, yeah, Mr. Naki.